You've worked hard for your retirement, and now, more than ever, you need to ensure that your nest egg is protected from economic uncertainty. Inflation, fluctuating markets, and even bank failures are threatening the very future of retirees across the country. But what if there's a way to secure your savings against these risks without taking on too much risk yourself? Today, we're talking about one of the most effective ways retirees are protecting their wealth: gold ETFs. If you're looking for a safe, low-maintenance investment to protect your retirement funds, then stick around. Let me introduce you to Susan from Florida. She's worked as a nurse for over 30 years and saved up a $550,000 IRA. But when the market started showing signs of instability, she started getting nervous. Her IRA was tied up in stocks and bonds that could lose value at any moment. It wasn't just about protecting her retirement anymore. It was about securing her future and ensuring she could leave a legacy for her children. That's when Susan discovered gold ETFs. Gold has been a trusted store of value for centuries, especially when the economy takes a hit. But buying physical gold isn't always practical for everyone. Enter gold ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, a way to invest in gold without having to store or insure physical gold. These funds track the price of gold, allowing you to benefit from gold's price movements, all while keeping your assets liquid and easy to manage. The best part? Gold has consistently outperformed many other assets during periods of high inflation or economic turmoil. But it's not just about gold's value. The real beauty of gold ETFs is their role in your overall portfolio. By diversifying with gold, you're not just hedging against inflation. You're also protecting your retirement from potential market crashes and safeguarding against political instability. Let me tell you more about why this is so crucial right now. We're seeing headlines every day about economic instability, the Federal Reserve's interest rate hikes, the looming threat of a recession, and major banks reporting losses. These issues aren't just theoretical, they're real, and they're affecting people just like you. Retirees who've worked their entire lives to save now face the harsh reality of seeing their hard-earned money lose value. Gold has historically been a safe haven in times like these, and gold ETFs allow you to tap into that protection without the complexities of physical gold ownership. Just like Susan, many retirees are realizing the importance of securing their savings. After learning about gold ETFs, she made the decision to roll part of her IRA into one. In just a few months, she saw the value of her investment hold steady. No massive dips, no sleepless nights. Susan knew she made the right choice. You don't have to take risks with your retirement. If you're ready to learn how gold ETFs can help secure your wealth and protect your future, I've got something special for you. Click the link in the description to access a free gold IRA guide and schedule a no-obligation consultation. You'll get a one-on-one call with a retirement expert who will walk you through how gold ETFs, along with other gold-backed options, can fit into your retirement plan. This isn't a sales pitch, and there are no free silver gimmicks. It's all about education, ensuring that you understand your options and that you're making the best decision for your retirement. We're here to help you protect your wealth without any pressure. Remember, you worked hard for your retirement. Now it's time to protect it, for you, for your future, and for the generations to come. Don't wait. Take action today and give your retirement the protection it deserves.